Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Alex, and with me, as always, is my co-host, Maria.
Hey everyone, I'm so glad to be here. And today, we are tackling a topic that I know has probably given every single one of our listeners a headache at some point.
Oh, definitely. We are talking about phrasal verbs. You know, those little two-word mysteries that pop up everywhere in English and make you go, wait, what does that mean?
Exactly. You think you know the word put, but then suddenly someone says put off and it means to delay, or put up with and it means to tolerate. It feels like a secret code you're not in on.
It's like the verb gets a whole new personality when you add that second word. It's confusing, but it's also what makes English so dynamic.
Right. And that's why we're here today. We're going to demystify some of the most common phrasal verbs. We'll break down the meanings of 3 super useful ones and give you plenty of examples so you can start using them with confidence.
By the end of this episode, you'll be a phrasal verb pro. So let's get into it.
So let's start with a simple definition. What exactly are phrasal verbs?
In a nutshell, a phrasal verb is just a verb combined with a preposition or an adverb. It's that simple on the surface, but the combination often creates a new meaning that's totally different from the original verb.
A classic example I always think of is look. Look is just to see with your eyes, but if you add up, as in look up, it means to search for information.
Or look after, which means to take care of someone.
And a look forward to, which means to be excited about something in the future. See, the prepositions completely change the meaning. It's wild.
We've picked 3 of the most common phrasal verbs that you'll hear in everyday conversations.
Let's start with the first one, pick up. This is one of my favorites because it has so many different meanings.
It really does. The most literal meaning is just to lift something. Like, I need to pick up the groceries I dropped.
And a very common one is to collect someone in a car. I use this all the time. Can you pick me up from the train station?
Or, I'll pick up my daughter after school.
But here's a great one for you, our listeners. It can also mean to learn a skill or a language informally. For example, I picked up a little bit of French while I was in Paris.
I love that one. It sounds so natural. And finally, pick up can also mean to buy something. I need to pick up some milk on my way home.
It's so versatile. Okay, next up, a phrasal verb we probably all use more than we should. Put off.
Oh, I am a master of this one. It means to postpone or delay something.
My son loves to put off his homework until the last possible minute.
I put off cleaning my apartment all weekend. It was not fun to do on Sunday night.
So if you're ever running late or you're delaying a task, put off is the perfect phrase to use.
And our final one for today is get over. This one is all about recovery and overcoming a challenge.
That's right. The most common use is to recover from an illness. I'm still trying to get over this cold.
Or it can be for emotional recovery. It took him a long time to get over his breakup. It's that process of healing.
You can also use it to mean overcoming a problem or a difficulty. For instance, she needs to get over her fear of public speaking if she wants that job.
That's a great example. It's about moving past something that was a roadblock.
So now you have these 3 new phrasal verbs. But how do you start using them naturally?
I have 3 tips. First, listen actively. Pay attention to how people use phrasal verbs in movies, TV shows, and songs. You'll start to hear them everywhere.
That's a great point. And don't just listen. Try to guess the meaning from the context.
My second tip is to practice with sentence building. Don't just memorize the definition. Write a sentence for each new phrasal verb you learn. It helps cement the meaning in your brain.
And my final tip, and this is the most important one, don't be afraid to make mistakes. The only way to get better is to try and fail a little bit. It's part of the learning process.
Exactly. So for your challenge this week, we want you to try using one of these 3 phrasal verbs. Pick up, put off, or get over at least once this week.
Tell us in the comments which one you're going to practice.
That's all the time we have for today. We hope this guide has made phrasal verbs a little less intimidating for you.
Remember, every day is a step forward in your English journey. Thanks so much for tuning in.
We'll see you in the next episode.